Alright, y'all, so I'm not putting the filter on, so it might be a little dark. I'm gonna, filter it out when I edit it. But we in New York right now. Y'all didn't know. Y'all probably gonna know though, based on prior clips. But you know what we gotta do, right? Since we in New York, you know what we gotta do. You know how we gotta act. See how it's loud everywhere I go? That's because there's no cars. This is my first time out here with them. I'm like putting the camera in their face or some shit. Y'all can see the ETA, man, 4:20. And I gotta leave in the morning, bro. I'm bugging, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get home. I'm trying to get on the highway. We about to be on it though. I ain't gonna lie. So why I'm on the way to the spot, I'm like, I have to get in the V, bro. I cannot take no Ubers. Cause who knows? Like look how dead it is. Niggas probably in the crib sleep. So I'm on the way back. I'm on the bridge for like 15 to 20 minutes, not moving. Like bro, I'm not moving. That shit was crazy. But I mean, I made it there. It was cool though. Like, it was cool. I'm bugging right now. I don't think, what the fuck is this nigga feeling like? Hey, y'all probably can't see that because it's black. This nigga just pulled up right beside, y'all see how much space is on his right side of me, right? Then he just tried to get in front of me in a pickup truck. Who is niggas feeling like? Long ass 0.5. That's 12 behind. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna say how I'm feeling right now, but I'm feeling crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. So if y'all see something in the rearview mirror, I'm feeling crazy. Oh my goodness. I just got in the air. Somebody in my rear, if y'all see that, man. Somebody swimming with me. I ain't gonna lie, we on timer right now. We on timer right now. We on timing right now. Let's get it, chat. We on timing. That's what I love, man. Niggas that drive, man. I almost said a bad word. I'm trying to be better though. Even with a little buzz, I'm trying to be better. Oh, this is great. This is great right now, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we're not even maxing it, as y'all can see. We're not even maxing it. I think he about to try to fly by me. If he fly by me in a curve, he's bugging. Shit, I gotta get on this. dead try. Y'all seen it, nigga. Dead try mag me. This is a fucking curve, though. I don't know how I'm locked. Like, if y'all could feel how I feel, I don't know how I'm locked in right now, but I'm locked in. This is such beautiful scenery. He about to blow past me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take it, take it, take it. Damn, my brother, man. That's my brother right there, boy. That's my brother from another mother right there. I'm telling y'all. Y'all seen how he was just moving, bro. And we got it all on cam. I don't know if there's a cop right here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see. I don't think it's a fed. He like he got something in his rearview mirror. That can't be a fed. Even if it is, I ain't gonna lie. He gotta catch me. He gotta catch me if you feeling like that. Birds. The fuck is nigga in that he got on my bumper with? What is he in when he's on my bumper? This is a curve right here. I gotta slow down. No, the fun is over. Oh yeah, Chad, it's over with. Chad, we bugged out. I got y'all. Look, man, I got y'all some look. I ain't gonna lie though. What's behind me right now? This might be an Explorer. I might be fried. But I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. I just really bugged out, bro. Like, well, y'all seen it, bro. I just really bugged out. But like, I ain't gonna lie, that's probably all y'all gonna get. I'm probably gonna be in traffic for like the next 20. So I love y'all, man. I might tune in before I leave tomorrow, but if not, catch y'all next vid.